Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to fix unable to verify app on App Store. So there are a few ways to do that. So the first one is to shut down the settings app. For this you need to double tap on the home button. Now simply swipe up the settings app until it gets vanished. Then you have the second step, which is you can try is refresh the device you're using. So using this method, the device will solve any minor glitches related to loading or memory problems. So basically you're gonna have to simply shut down the phone and then simply reopen it. Now another way is to simply by resetting the network settings. So the first step is to simply go to settings, then scroll down to general and then simply tap on reset, and then simply tap on reset network settings, and then simply tap on this red button, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.